Alright, B and G's, welcome to Goran Guitar. We have Lil Mosey here with a song called Call, alright? A great song, and I just couldn't stop playing this one. We have a 4-chord song here, and it's a really guitar song. You're gonna hear the strumming very clearly in this song. So if you like to play guitar and if you like the artist here in the song, it's a great matchup. Let's go into this one. And the setup here will be with the K-ball put there on the 5th fret. That's the best scenario for us. 4 chords, F, A minor, C, and G. Let's go over them. Starting with F now, which is a bar chord. So you place your index finger on the 1st fret. You push down all strings there. And then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Next chord is A minor, and that will be open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. We have C next, and that will be 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And then the final chord is G. If you can do the G with these fingers, it's great. I use my ring finger on the 3rd fret E string, my mid finger on the 2nd fret A, and then open D, open G, open B, and 3rd E. I use my little pinky with that. So the reason for having these fingers a little bit awkward from normally we're gonna go like this or this, but we want to have some possibilities to use the index finger on the 1st fret B string. I'm gonna come to that soon when it comes to the strumming. So if you can do it with these fingers, you can do it and play the extra details here in the strumming in this song, okay? So otherwise, these are the strings you need to hold down, push down. So if you want to skip that part, you just use whatever finger you want, you feel comfortable with, and hold the standard G chord. With that said, let's go into the strumming. So we're going to do that with the 1st chord, the F. So grab that one. One string around will be like this. So it starts with down, down. And then comes down, up, down, up, down, down. So down, up, down, up, down, down. Okay, and then comes just down, up. Okay, and that is one round. So down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up. A couple rounds goes like this. What you're going to do now is to play one string around per chord. You're going to play in the order F, A minor, C, and G. Okay? And it's a very easy transition there for A minor to C. Okay? And always look out for the easy transition between the chords to have it as easy as possible. So that's just one tip. You don't have to release everything and then find your C. You just release the ring finger and put it on top there on the 3rd fret A string. Just some technical stuff there. And I mentioned one string around per chord, and the reason for having this G is because we have some modification here on that strumming. So you play F1, A minor 1, C1, and then when you come to G, I grab these fingers and have this position and have my index finger ready on the 1st fret B string, because it's we have a note there we want to highlight. So you're gonna play the down, 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 up, down with the standard grip pair of G. So, and when you come to the part up, down, down, you add on the 1st fret B string and try to get that note to really put out there and yeah, to really emphasize that note. So you put it down there on the up, down, down, and then you release it when you play the final down, up. So the strumming of G will be like this. So on the up, down, down, I put it on the 1st fret B string, and then I release it again to play the final down up. So again, slowly, the G goes. And within the strumming, a couple of rounds, it goes like this. Yeah, I could play this song all day, but yeah, it's enough. Lil Mosey's call, that's how it's done. Hope you enjoyed, guys, and if you felt that this was helpful, then feel free to support me here on Gorn Guitar. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and see you soon. Till next time, play tuned.